Hey, hon? I think I found your exhaust leak.
Hey y'all, I know it's been a while, but happy 2026. So today, as you saw, we got a little bit of exhaust leak. And it sounds hideous. Absolutely hideous. Let me just restart this and you guys can hear it. Oh God. I had to kill that because that was just god awful. But we have this. And Lethal Performance was running a little bit of a deal on their website this holiday. So we took the chance to fix the issue. And so we're doing that. We have the 2020 Explorer ST Plus mid pipes. So no full exhaust, no downpipes yet on this thing. I mean, I'm sure one day we'll get to there, but not today. So we're gonna get that done. In the box, you get the two pipes and the clamps. That's about it. Blue is the left side, red is the right side. If the label's a little worn off, like the right side label here was slightly worn off, so I can't really read that. So for the information for you guys, so you know, right is red, left is blue. But pretty cool mid pipe setup. Relatively inexpensive compared to like buying from a dealership or something like that. So we'll get this. We're gonna try. It's the leaks on the right side, as you saw in the earlier video. So we're gonna get the right side done first today. I only got 3 hours to do this, so I know some people are like, oh, 3 hours, I can knock it out in 15 minutes. Well, look, I got 3 hours to do this, and I got to go to work tonight. So I'm going to try just to get the right side done tonight. That's the main goal. If I have time to do the left side, I'll do the left side. But main goal tonight is just to do the right side. So we'll get that done. All right, so we're under the car. Right here's your clamps. You're going to need to undo these to get this pipe off. But this, I eyeballed this shit as a 15. Yeah, that's a 15. Google said it was a 17, or it could be a 17. They didn't even know. So it's a 15 right there, and then right here, which is towards the front, there's your cat. It is also a 15. So FYI. Also, when you're getting ready to take these bolts off, I wouldn't say close your eyes, but make sure you have fucking eye protection on, and do not inhale, because you do not want to inhale that nastiness. They go directly in your lungs. Mechanics might be tough, but lung cancer or any of that bullshit from just working on your car is not something I want. Alright. Alright, we got our Bauer here. Oops, I took my glove with me. But we got our Bauer here. I think this should be this one should be easy to take off. Yeah, I knew that would. The hard part's gonna be towards the front, because that heats up a lot. Is there another bolt? Oh shit, I can't see. No, there's just one bolt there. Yeah, sorry guys. There's just one bolt there. It's only me today, so don't do that with your hand. You'll fuck up your hand. Alright. Do as I say, not as I do. Is it what all the cool kids call it? But, alright, I'm going to need two hands with this. But yeah, just the one bolt here, it looks like. Yeah, just one bolt. You're going to need a hammer to probably loosen it up. And so you can get this pipe out. Look how this fucker failed. Oh my gosh, it's spinning there. Look at that. God damn. I don't even want to cut myself on any of that shit. These aren't cut resistant, so yeah, this makes a horrid sound when you're on the highway or interstate speeds.
Makes a real loud whine. So this thing failed like a motherfucker. I've never seen one fail this bad before. But then again, I've only been on there 32 years, and I've only been working on cars for 4. So, all right, but I'm gonna try to get this out. I got handy dandy purse to give it a little whack, and hopefully it'll make this portion a whole lot easier. But yeah, I'm almost tempted to hit that with PB Blaster. We're gonna try it without, but that sucker's pretty rusted on there. So I just want to show you all my purse. I got a vintage Louis Vuitton, so it's a little rough around the edges, but she's from like 1940 something, Louis Vuitton. Make sure you get you a good purse, guys. I found this one at a yard sale. All right, so we got the front loose. It actually did take PB Blaster. It was like 2 Ugadas and then a hold down, so it came off pretty easily. I'm very happy about that, and I'm out of breath because I didn't use a hammer trying to get this out. I just wiggled it. So I got the front out, but here's the back, and just wiggle it and pull. If you need a little space, you can push your resonator back just a little bit, just like that. You heard it move. That'll give you a little extra space. This guy come right out. So, hell yeah. Oh, now if only the catalytic converter was that easy to remove. Dear God. Okay, well, we're not doing that today, so I'm not going to worry about that today. But let's get this pipe in. Alright, guys, so I got it on, getting ready to install. I will say that twisting this, you don't want to start here, you want to start back here, insert it back here, and then shimmy it all the way until it bottoms out, or as far as you can get it. As you can see where I shimmied it back, as far as you can get it. That'll give you room up here to work, and you essentially shimmy it back and forth and twist the pipe, so you should be able to twist the pipe, and you want to get it all the way mounted. The Lethal doesn't appear to have a notch for this, like the Ford over there. So it doesn't appear to have a notch for it. So just fucking get it up to there. I had to loosen this clamp all the way. Make sure to get ready to catch that stuff because it's in there spring tension. So make sure to get ready to catch that stuff. Otherwise, you're spending 15-20 minutes looking for a nut washer like I did. So you're going to reuse the clamp in the back. Don't worry, I got a washer for it. I lost the washer, but I got an extra. So I got a washer in the little thing that goes in there, the little saddle, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what it's called. But shimmy back and forth. It's gonna take a little bit. I'm sure someone would say, take down the rest of the exhaust or something to make it easier. Sure, but that's. I don't want to get that complicated. I just want to get it fucking on. So I'm gonna bolt this all up, and then we'll do a sound test afterwards. All right, so it should look something like that. I haven't bolted it down yet, but I'm going to here in a second. It's gonna have a pair of these. If you take that bolt, and if you end up taking that bolt off, or that nut off all the way, and all that shit starts flying, you use it as kind of like a clamp with your right hand, and the left hand you put everything else on. It helps make everything done a whole lot easier instead of tearing up your hands so much. All right, y'all. We'll get this bolted down, do a sound test. Hey! All right. That's a fact. Oh, she's freaking out. She is freaking out. What the fuck? Calm out, baby girl. What the fuck? Parking brake off. Alright. Let's get her in reverse. Get her down. Hey. Whoop. Alright.
All right, quick post outro because the ending of that was a little abrupt. And I just wanted to say thank you to everyone for the support throughout 2025. We reached 450 subscribers and we're still growing. We're still growing from that. And I really appreciate it. I'm excited for what's coming into the channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next on the channel. Uh, we got 12 videos planned for 2026, one video a month, and I'm really excited for what's coming along the lines. Hopefully things pan out and we get some awesome things happening on the channel. And once again, I appreciate all of you. Welcome to 2026. I hope your 2026 is going good. And I'll see you guys in the next one.